So unfortunately, where I was going to film yesterday, there was outside of school. I didn't think it was appropriate to do any filming there. So yeah, the big patch we had identified that would look great on camera. Unfortunately, these are how these things go. We couldn't get on filming, so just doing 20 ton today. So we've come higher up now, and we're just going to concentrate on these ones now. And I'm just looking here, making sure I'm around the right marks, and then I'll flip the camera around and I can go cutting to my heart's content. So yeah, let's flip the camera around, and you don't want to look at me. Although I do look awesome in my Pulsar gear, so shout out for Pulsar for all the free comment, it's much appreciated. Got this pothole to do right in front of us here. So yeah, we'll take that out quite easily. I'll try and go as slow as possible so you see everything. So it fits perfectly in a 600mm drum. I'm going to engage the planer and get that fired up. Set both of the sides of the planer down to 50mm. Got my creep speed on, and then we're just going to engage just at the markings. Just gently drive forward on it, and then lift the planer out of the position. Engage the sweeper hood, and I'm doing this nice and slow so you can see every bit of action. I've just turned the planer off and then engaged the dig end sweeper collector, and then just nice and gently sweeping. I would usually spin it round, but I thought you'd get good visibility. Spin the sweeper hood around, you get good visibility. Do everything over the planer end, and then literally there you go. What are we on? 1 minute 25. All we got to do now, nice and steady braking, find the edge. I just like to bring it down. Nice clean edge. Down. I've got a fullish tank of water, so that's probably what you see, the rocking. You obviously got to compensate for your water load. And I'm not going slow at all, just nice and steady so you can see every bit of action. All you got to do then is sweep that up. So really, I think that's 1 minute 59, and that's me going really slow. And there you go, pothole removed quickly and efficiently, and just ready for tarmac.